Tired of snoring? Here's how to fix it naturally. How can stop snoring naturally? Are you in this kind of situation? Sleeping with loud snoring sounds and a frustrated partner covering their ears? Tired of snoring disrupting your sleep? Let's fix it naturally. Snoring can be more than just an annoyance. It can disrupt your sleep and even affect your health. In this video, we'll explore simple and effective natural remedies to stop snoring for good. What causes snoring? Blocked airway in the throat, leading to snoring sounds. Snoring happens when the flow of air through your nose and throat is partially blocked during sleep. This causes vibrations in the tissues, leading to that familiar sound. But don't worry, there are natural ways to address it. Remedy 1. Sleep on your side. Sleeping on your back can make your tongue and soft palate collapse to the back of your throat, worsening snoring. Try sleeping on your side. Pro tip: use a body pillow to maintain your position comfortably. Remedy 2. Stay hydrated before sleeping. A glass of water being poured and placed on a bedside table. Dehydration can dry out throat tissues, leading to snoring. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated helps prevent dryness in your throat and nasal tissues, reducing the vibrations that cause snoring. Remedy 3. Use steam or nasal rinse with the advice of doctor. If nasal congestion is the culprit, try steam inhalation before bed or use a saline nasal rinse. These methods help clear your airways, allowing you to breathe more easily during sleep. Remedy 4. Throat exercises. Strengthening your throat muscles can reduce snoring. Try humming or saying vowels loudly several times a day. These simple exercises tone your throat muscles and keep airways open. Remedy 5. Adjust your sleeping environment. Clean allergen-free bedroom promotes better breathing. Dry air and allergens can worsen snoring. Use a humidifier to keep the air moist and clean your bedroom regularly to reduce dust and allergens. Additional tips and tricks: avoid alcohol before bed. Use anti-snoring devices like nasal strips. Maintain a healthy weight. Here are some bonus tips. Avoid alcohol or heavy meals before bed, as they relax your throat muscles. Try nasal strips for extra support, and consider maintaining a healthy weight to reduce excess pressure on your airway. Try these tips tonight and enjoy quieter, better sleep. Natural remedies can make a big difference in stopping snoring. Try these tips and let us know how they work for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Persistent snoring. Consult a professional. It could indicate sleep apnea. If snoring persists despite trying these remedies, consult a doctor. Persistent snoring could be a sign of a more serious condition like sleep apnea. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.